Thanks, Simon. Well, it's all changed with our weather this Armistice Day. We started the week with high pressure for many of us, quite a bit of mist, fog and settled weather, but things are turning much more unsettled at the moment. This is the picture in Wrexham a little bit earlier on. Few glimpses of blue sky around, but for most of us, as we head through the rest of today, there will be a lot of cloud around. It will be turning increasingly windy from the west, and there's some heavy downpours on the cards, particularly heavy rainfall across western and northwestern parts of the UK, all down to the fact that we've got this active weather front here. It's been pouring its way in from the Atlantic. Lots of isobars on the map as well, indicating the strength of the wind through the remainder of today. It is still mild out there, temperatures around about 12 to 14, perhaps 15 degrees or so, where we do see a little bit of hazy sunshine coming through there in the southeast. But the winds are a real feature of the weather, particularly around some of these exposed Irish Sea coasts. Gusts here perhaps 50 or even 60 miles per hour for a time, combined with that heavy rainfall, particularly heavy downpours from Northern Ireland and the west of Scotland. Could be some flooding for Dumfries and Galloway up towards the Western Isles as well. This evening and tonight, this band of rain with the strong squally winds pushes eastwards, so we're all going to see a spell of wet and windy weather overnight. Most of the heavy rain and the strongest of the winds just clearing away towards the east during the early hours of Thursday morning. So Thursday starts off on a bit of a quieter note, should be frost-free, and we've got just a small ridge of higher pressure in charge on Thursday. So we're between weather fronts through the day tomorrow. Still one or two showers lingering through the course of the morning, most of them easing away. More sunshine tomorrow than there is out there today. Lighter winds as well, but later on in the day, more cloud piles in from the west ahead of that next area of rain moving in. Still reasonably mild for the time of year. Temperatures a touch down on recent days, around about 10 to 13 degrees through Thursday. And then overnight Thursday into Friday, the next area of low pressure moves its way west to east. So another spell of fairly heavy rain and some really strong squally winds through into Friday. That frontal rain clears eastwards on Friday. Further heavy showers and thunderstorms move in from the northwest behind it. Temperatures only about 9 to 13 degrees, so a little bit cooler certainly than we started the week with. But then as we look ahead towards the weekend, it's going to be a conveyor belt of more in the way of low pressure. So lots of isobars, several fronts moving through. That sets us up for a fairly unsettled autumnal picture as we head through the weekend. Simon.